Teologo po ang Satanas. Let me tell you, he reads the Word of God day and night. Whether you like it or not, medyo sampal sa atin ito, but Satan read the Bible, excuse me, read the Word of God day and night. Day and night. No? Nagbabasa po si Satanas ng Biblia. But again, reading, let me emphasize this one. Reading the Bible does not make you a Christian. Ulitin ko. Reading the Bible does not make you a Christian. Applying what you read, iyon ang pagkakaiba. Ulitin ko ha. Ulitin ko. Si Satanas po is one of theologian. He is one of the theologian. Nagbabasa po si you can correct me about it, but I'm firmly panindigan ko po yun. Si Satanas po ay theologian. Tandaan niyo po yan. Nagbabasa po siya ng Biblia araw at gabi. Okay? But again, let me address this one. Reading the Bible does not make you a Christian. Okay? Applying what you read, yan po ang pagkakaiba natin kay Satanas. Why? For example, pag sinabi ng Biblia, okay, na forgive others, si Satanas po hindi po yan nagpapatawad. Okay? When the Bible speaks about take up my cross and follow me, deny yourself, take up my cross and follow me, Satanas, binasa niya lang yan, pero hindi niya gagawin yan. Okay? Hindi niya gagawin yan. So yun yung pagkakaiba natin. Okay? Ulitin ko, reading does not make you a Christian. Reading the Bible. Bakit kamo? Kasi nga ang mga false prophets also, they read the Word of God. Pero hindi nila ina-apply. At kung ina-apply man nila ito, once again, ginagawa nila ito para sa kanilang sariling agenda. Now,